Snack lovers, welcome back to Quiz Heat. Brace yourself for a flavor-packed challenge. Today, we're ranking 60 of the most fast foods and snacks. Let's see where will your favorites end up. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button for more fun quizzes and let's dive right in. Starting off spicy, do hot Cheetos deserve a top-tier ranking? Big, bold and fiery, where does this heat-packed fish sandwich rank? Are chicken nuggets S tier for you? Where do Feastables land in your ranking? Nacho cheese or Cool Ranch? How do Doritos stack up? Did you survive the Grimace shake? Is it top tier or nightmare fuel? The burger that started it all. Where does the Big Mac land? Rolling in with spice. Do hot Takis make your top tier cut? Chewy, fruity and classic. How high do gummy bears rank? A mystery meal. Is Lunchly a snack time winner? Crispy golden goodness. Do onion rings outrank French fries for you? Crunchy and salty. Are Fritos a top tier snack? Cheesy comfort food at its finest. Is mac and cheese an elite dish? Are Lay's your top tier pick? Everything's better with bacon, but where does it rank? Sour, sweet, gone. Are Sour Patch Kids a winner? Do you rate sweet potato highly? Chocolate perfection or just basic? How does Hershey's rank? Are French fries the undefeated champ of fast food? Wedged for extra crunch. How do Ruffles stack up? Chocolatey and colorful. Do M&M's deserve a top tier spot? Where do chili dogs rank in your list? Cheese polls for days. Are mozzarella sticks top tier? Salty snack mix. Does Munchies make your must-have list? Onion flavored crunch. Where do Funyuns land in your ranking? Spicy saucy goodness. Do hot wings make your top tier list? Once you pop, you can't stop. Do Pringles belong in S tier? Perfect for dipping. Are Tostitos an essential snack? What do you think about vegan burger? Is Prime a top-tier beverage? Fair Food Classic. Are corn dogs an elite snack? Do you think mashed potatoes make the cut? Taste the rainbow. Are Skittles a top-tier candy? A simple classic. How do McDonald's soft cones rank? Blueberry, chocolate, or banana? Where do muffins land? Are gummy worms ranking high? Hard or soft shell? What do you think about tacos? Packed with flavor, do burritos take the crown? Luxury in a bun. Where does the lobster roll land? Crispy, juicy, and legendary. Is fried chicken top tier? What rank are you giving to quesadilla? Does pepperoni pizza get your top vote? Thick, creamy, and sweet. Are milkshakes a must-have? Movie night essential. How do you rank popcorn? How do you feel about grilled cheese sandwich? Does the croissant belong in your top tier? Are you a fan of Boston cream donuts? Loaded or classic? Are nachos making your top list? Do you find Reese's to be S tier? Fluffy and stacked. Is pancake the perfect breakfast? Do brownies take the crown? What do you think about spicy noodles? How highly would you rank churros? Is apple pie a top-tier dessert? Chocolate with a crispy bite. Does Crunch Bar make the cut? What's your opinion on Pop-Tarts? And how about marshmallows? Break me off a piece. Where does Kit Kat land? Milk's favorite cookie. Are Oreos a top-tier classic? Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.